guys. So I cut grass yesterday. Looks pretty good. But I didn't cut grass in front of the horse barn. And whenever I was cutting grass yesterday, I was using our neighbor's mower, which was a big one. It's a Spartan. It was a little bit bigger, but I didn't take the advantage that I could cut the horse barn with it, or in front of the horse barn. So we're about to use dang grasshopper. It wasn't really a big mower. I mean, it was tiny bit bigger than this one. Not that much, but yeah. And I didn't cut in front of the horse barn with it yesterday, so let's do that right now with this. That was a cold start too. Look. Hand all over it. I mean, but yes, that was a straight cold start on a grasshopper that's pretty old. All right, let's do this. That was a straight cold start. Dude, if I could name any other cold start colder than that, I usually run the mowers. Slow, pulling it out. And I'll go ahead and get out the spider webs off. Just like that, let it sit for a minute. We'll go cut. Alright, just let it sit. Now we're going. Get it cut. Look at me with